In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneNote notebooks. If you've ever closed a notebook in the OneNote app and discovered it still exists in the cloud, this guide will show you how to remove it completely. The key is that OneNote stores cloud notebooks in OneDrive, so the actual deletion happens there. Start by opening your web browser and going to the OneDrive website. Sign in with the same account you use in OneNote, since that's where your notebooks are stored. If you have multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the right one by checking the profile icon. This avoids accidentally deleting content from the wrong place. Once you're signed in, locate the notebook you want to delete. In OneDrive, notebooks typically appear as folders with the notebook's name, and inside you'd find the section files. If you have a lot of files, use the search bar at the top and type the notebook's name to jump straight to it. Before you remove anything, pause and make sure this is definitely the notebook you no longer need. If there are pages you might want later, consider copying them out or exporting them beforehand so you're not caught off guard. When you found the correct notebook folder, right-click it to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding Control while clicking works the same. If you're on a touchscreen, tap the More Options icon next to the folder name to bring up the menu. You should see the option to delete. Choose Delete. OneDrive will prompt you to confirm that you want to remove the item. Read the confirmation carefully, then approve it. As soon as you confirm, the notebook will be removed from OneDrive, and that change will sync to your devices. Any OneNote app that had the notebook open will stop syncing it, and you may see a message that the notebook can't be found. That's expected because you've just removed it from its source. To recap the flow, sign into OneDrive with the correct account, find the notebook you want to remove, right-click its folder, select Delete, and confirm. That's all there is to it. This action ensures the notebook is gone from the cloud and, as a result, from all connected devices. Thanks for watching. If this helped you tidy up your OneNote workspace, don't forget to clear out any other notebooks you no longer need using the same process. See you in the next tutorial.